permanent ectoparasite. It causes a skin disease, a disease condition in the host known as mange. तो पहला पॉइंट हमें आपको याद रखना होगा, माइट इज ए परमानेंट इक्टोपैरासाइट, एंड सेकेंड इज माइट काउज ए डिजीज कंडीशन is known as mange or might cause a skin disease known as mange. किसी भी तरह का माइट है, टाइप का माइट है जो डिजीज काउज करता है उसको मेंज कहते हैं। जैसे सार्कोप्टिस माइट काउज सार्कोप्टिक मेंज, सोरोप्टिस माइट काउज डिजीज known as सोरोप्टिस मेंज or some another name of the disease. So this is the disease. Or the chemicals or pesticides used to kill tick and mites are called acaricide. Acaricide and the study of tick and mites are called acarology. तो ये टर्मिनोलॉजी हमेशा याद रखिएगा, कॉमन पूछता है। एकेरोलॉजी इज द स्टडी ऑफ टिक एंड माइट्स। टिक एंड माइट्स के स्टडी को हम एकेरोलॉजी कहते हैं। द केमिकल व्हिच किल्स the ticks and mites are called acaricide. And mites cause a skin disease known as mange. तो तीन टर्म्स इसमें टिप ऑफ द टंग रहनी चाहिए। This is the classification of the mites. I have already discussed in previous classes. Comes under subclass Acrina. This is the order, this is the family, this is the different type of mites. Then this is the body of the ticks and mites divided into generally two parts. Gnathosoma is anterior part and posterior part is idiosoma. Then Gnathosoma includes mouth parts of the tick and mites and pedipalp. Pedipalp is a sensory structure because antenna is absent in ticks and mites. This is the discussed already. This is the mouth parts. Mouth parts, body divided in case of ticks and mites, body divided into two parts: cephalothorax and abdomen. Thorax, head and thorax is called cephalothorax, and neck, second body part is abdomen. And mouth part consists of a pair of chelicerae, a pair of pedipalp, दोनों पेयर में रहता है, and hypostome सिंगल रहता है। तो कभी कभी पूछता है कि नंबर ऑफ hypostome found in the mouth part of tick or mites, या both tick and mites. तो one hypostome, two chelicerae and two pedipalps, and segmentation is indistinct. This is the mouth part, diagrammatic representation. Then life cycle, general life cycle of the class Arachnida. I have discussed hemimetabolous, that is incomplete life cycle. Pupa stage is absent in this case, but whereas pupa is present in case of fly or class insecta. So egg develop into larva develop into three nymphial stage usually: protonymph, deuteronymph and tretonymph. Nymph is, यहाँ एक बार याद रखना है, nymph is resembles to adult but differentiated from the adult tick and mite because nymph has no sexual organs. Second, larva is differentiated from nymph and adult. हमेशा याद रखेगा, larva of tick and mites are three pairs of legs, whereas nymph and adults of tick and mites are 4 pairs of legs, यानी 8 legs and 6 leg larva में, 6 leg larva में like fly के जैसा, class insecta के जैसा larva में, लेकिन nymph and adult है 4 pairs of legs. हमेशा याद रखना है आपको ये. Then some differentiation point of ticks and mites. Common asked question. Write differentiation between ticks and mites, and you tell the differentiating point between ticks and mites. Ticks are usually macroscopic, while mites are usually microscopic because mites are located beneath the skin. Skin के नीचे रहता है. Here ticks are located on the body. We can see it with the naked eye. Then usually type of parasite. Tick is temporary parasite because some stages as a larva or some stages develop into the outside the body host, but mite is a permanent parasite developmental stage on the body of the host. It cannot live without the host. Location of the skin, beneath the skin. So this is the some differentiation point of ticks and mites. Then come to the ticks. This is the suborder, the 4 suborder which include different mites, different species of the mite. This is the suborder of mite. So this is the terminology. I have told acarology is the study of ticks and mites. There is acaricide, the pesticide or chemicals or insecticide that kills ticks and mites, because it comes under the subclass Acarina, so called acaricide, acarology, and mainly is the disease condition or a skin disease cause which occurs during the mite infestation. Mite infestation या mite के infection जो skin का disease होता है infested animal में या और ह्यूमन में, उसको मेंज करते हैं. तो एक टर्मिनोलॉजी हमेशा याद रखिएगा. 3 टर्मिनोलॉजी से हमेशा एक न एक टर्मिनोलॉजी आपको क्वेश्चन में, फाइनल एग्जाम्स में या इंटरनल असेसमेंट एग्जाम में आता ही है हमेशा. Then come to the family Sarcopteridae, family of mites. This is the bodies, जैसे हम I have told in previous classes, mites are usually roughly circular shape. So body is globular shaped. In case of the Sarcopteridae family mites, and scales. This is the scales or spines present on the body of the mites. Last 2 pairs of legs, there is generally in case of nymph and adult 4 pairs of legs are present, but here out of 4 pairs of legs, last 2 pairs of legs are scarcely project or do not project behind the body margin से बाहर की ओर निकला हुआ last 2 pair legs नहीं रहता in case of Sarcopteridae family members mites. Generally suckers, this is the suckers, cup shaped, this is the suckers present on the legs, as suckers pierced by the pedicel are unsegmented. This is the thin structure is known as pedicel are non-segmented in case of Sarcopteridae. हमेशा याद रखिएगा, bears suckers pedicel bear suckers. This is the suckers, round structure, cup-shaped structure is the suckers, which is bears by the non-segmented pedicels, with pedicels present on the legs. This is the difference between the bell-shaped suckers. This is the bell-shaped sucker present in case of Sarcopteridae family mites. This is the difference between the male and female mites. इस pairs में suckers होता है, किसी pairs में suckers, male और female में differentiation है. Then important point in case of Sarcopteridae family member mite is it create burrow, it create tunnel in the skin, in the epidermis of our skin, in the dermis of the skin, means ये burrow बनाता है, एक tunnel बनाता है, molting pocket बनाता है. So Sarcoptes family member includes burrowing mite. So burrowing mite हमेशा याद है, कभी कभी पूछता है कि नेम द burrowing mite. तो Sarcoptes में जितने भी माइट होता है वो burrowing mite होता है because it make burrow in the skin, it make tunnel in the skin, उसी में रहता है. It includes burrowing mite, that is Sarcoptes and Notodurus. This both are burrowing mite because it make burrow, it penetrate the skin and make burrow and tunnels in the skin. Then come to the first genus Sarcoptes, body is globular in shape. Third and fourth pair, this is the third pair, this is the fourth pairs of legs are do not project beyond the body margin. Body margin से बाहर की ओर नहीं निकला रहता है. So this is the important character, differentiation character from the other mites. Another different point is anus is situated terminal. Last में होता है anus situated terminally or ventrally in case of Sarcoptes. Or there is another structure is triangular scale. This is the triangular scale and this is the transverse ridge. जिस तरह से है transverse ridge found on the dorsal surface of the Sarcoptes mites. So this is the differentiation. जब आप diagnose करेंगे skin scraping method तो differentiation में easy होगा. Legs are third and fourth pairs of legs are do not project beyond the muddy margins. Dorsal surface of the body have triangular scales and transverse ridge. And anus is terminally and ventrally situated. Then transmission of mite. This is the permanent ectoparasite, so transmitted through the contact from infested animal to healthy animal through direct contact with the infested animal. Infested animal के direct contact होने पर transmission होता है. और sometimes is also transmitted to the fomites, grooming tools, clothing and blanket के through भी transmission होता है. But mainly transmitted through the contact by wandering the larvae, lymph and fertilize young female. क्योंकि move करते रहता है because after the population male mites are died and female create burrow, deep burrow and move. So during the contact of the another animal, it transmitted from the infested animal to another susceptible animal. Life cycle in case of Sarcoptes, a larva nymph is located in the, this is the stratum corneum beneath the skin. Adult female lay the eggs, egg develop into larva, larva develop into nymph, nymph develop into male and females. Then after population, adult male mites died and female create burrow and tunnels or multi pockets where they lay eggs. This is the permanent parasite, so whole life cycle completed in the on the body of the host beneath the skin, in the tunnels, in the form, burrow form or pocket formed by the mites. This is the life cycle. Female mites about the Sarcoptes lays about 30 to 50 eggs in the tunnels, the forms tunnels in the upper layers of the skin. Then egg hatch into larva. Larva create burrow, deep burrow and molting pocket. Here this larva molt into nymph and nymph molt into adult. Then male mites die after mating and female extend the already formed pockets or burrow form the deeply burrow. Entire life cycle completed in case of Sarcoptes mice. It takes about 70 to 20 1 days. तो यहाँ हमेशा याद रखिएगा सार्कोप्टिस एंड नोटोवीरस तो पढ़ा रहे हैं, ये बर्रोइंग माइट है, ये बर्रो टनल फॉर्मेशन करता है इन स्किन और उसी में एग लेइंग मॉल्टिंग होता है उसका। Then what is the pathogenesis? How it harmful for the host? So in case of Sarcoptes mites, it make, I have told, burrow in the skins, it form tunnels or multi-pocket in the skins, and that cause marked thickening rather than a scab formation. इसमें scab formation नहीं होता है, leads to thickening of the skin. Female mites, because adult mites dies after mating, and then female mites make deep burrow in the epidermis and form multi-pockets and tunnels, and this leads to a scratching and itching in the infested hole. So intense itching occurs in case of Sarcoptes. Pruritus means irritation, scratching, pruritus, intense occurs, intense pruritus or intense itching occurs in case of Sarcoptes mite infestation, and then skin become thickened and wrinkled. Wrinkled हो जाता है, मुड़ जाता है उसका त्वचा, then thicken हो जाता है, become thick, and skin become thickened and wrinkled due to the keratinization and proliferation of the connective tissue of the skin. Then hair loss occurs if infested host rub the infested body part against the hard objects and leads to loss of hairs and also blood supply of interrupted or hindrance in the blood supply in the hair follicle of the hairs that leads to loss of hair, that is alopecia. क्योंकि इसमें थिकनिंग होता है, ये बर्रो बनाता है, जिसके कारण वहां पर ब्लड सप्लाई हेयर फॉलिकल में नहीं हो पाता, that cause hair loss, that is alopecia, and that ultimately leads to bald patches on the skin. Bald patches माने loss hair, छोटा छोटा धब्बा रहेगा, वहां पर हेयर नहीं रहेगा. That patches may lead to secondary bacterial infection and death of infested animal also occurs in severe infection. So in case of Sarcoptes mites, first might create burrow, then tunnels, multi-pockets, then wrinkling and thickening of the skin, then a scratching, intense itching, and alopecia that leads to bald patches on the skin. Then this is the Sarcoptes, different type of variety of Sarcoptes. Important species Sarcoptes ascapii, but different species like Sarcoptes ascapii variety homines, Sarcoptes abscessi variety suis, that Sarcoptes ascapii variety canis. This is the different type of variety physiological races of Sarcoptes found, which infest different animal is susceptible, but pig, dog, sheep is most susceptible to the Sarcoptes males, and different site of the lesion found on the body of the infected host. In case of sheep, Sarcoptic males is known as head males because it mainly affect non-uli portion, जहाँ पे रूल नहीं रहता वहाँ पर generally nostril, lips and face and head region is mainly affected with the Sarcoptic Ascabii. So it is known as head maze, mainly non-woolly portion. In case of dog, it lead to sarcopenia. Important reflexes that we ascribe reflexes by the rubbing of the infested ear. This is the clinical signs. In case of sarcoptes, intense itching, बहुत ज़्यादा itching होता है, then scratching, skin become wrinkled and thickened, loss of hair, emaciation, reduced breathing. And disease caused by sarcoptes is normally known as scabies. It also occurs as sarcoptes type caused disease is also known as scabies. So it is a burrowing mites. This is the loss of hairs, wrinkle of skin, wrinkle and thickening of the skin. Then the diagnosis by the skin scraping method. A skin scraping method is used for the diagnosis of the mite. A skin scraping method में क्या करते हैं? First, clip the hairs around the lesions and scrape the lesion, edge of the lesion. क्योंकि जनरली सेंटर में डेड टिश्यू रहता है तो माइट माइग्रेट करके एज ऑफ द लीजन किनारे में आ जाता है, तो हमेशा टेक द स्क्रैपिंग मटेरियल फ्रॉम द एज ऑफ द लीजन अंटिल 1 ड्रॉप ऑफ ब्लड ओजेज आउट. 1 ड्रॉप ब्लड निकला तो स्क्रैपिंग करना छोड़ देंगे. देन द स्क्रैपिंग मटेरियल कलेक्टेड ऑन द पेपर्स एंड dissolved on 10% KOH solution, and after cooling sediment, 1 drop sediment taken on the glass slide and usually examined under 40x objective of the microscope. This is the skin scraping method usually used for the diagnosis of any type of mites. In case of scraping collection, scraping material should be collected from the edge of the lesion. जहां किनारे से हम लोग स्क्रैपिंग मटेरियल को कलेक्ट करते हैं, because generally in the center of a lesion dead tissue are found, might migrated from the center to the edge of the lesions, and then dissolve in 10% KOH solution and take 1 drop of sediment on glass slide and examine. This is the some of the treatment, like insects, like flea and flies, chemical acaricide, deltamethrin, ivermectin, doramectin are chemical acaricide. Some herbal acaricide like testovan, crunch oil, neem oil is effective against the mite infestation. Control isolation of the infected animal, treatment of the infected animal, treatment repeated after 2 weeks, and the spraying of acaricide also brushes and comes, because sometimes it's called binding mite, and provide proper level of nutrition which decrease the susceptibility of the animal. Then another Sarcopteridae family mite is Notodurus, commonly found in cat. Some type of, this is a different point of, ये हमेशा याद रखना है. Anus is dorsal and subterminal. Terminal से थोड़ा सा ऊपर होता है in case of Notodurus, but in case of Sarcoptes, anus is terminal and ventrally situated. This is the important difference between both the genus of Sarcoptes and Notodurus, which comes under same family. So इस point को हमेशा याद रखना. Then pathogenesis, generally called yellow crust lesion, mainly found in the ear, face and neck, and may be found on the other part. This is also a burrowing mite. It creates a burrow. Then another mite is Pneumococcosis. It is the burrowing mite of the poultry, mainly found in the birds. Birds के case में burrowing mite है. This all 3 species infect the bird. Pneumococcosis galli, mutans, and Felis. This is the morphological structure. 2 longitudinal transverse bars. This is longitudinal transverse bar run from the base of the pedipalp to do leg, here they united. यहाँ पर united होता है. This is the important differentiation morphological character. Dorsal surface, this is a striation different from Pneumococcosis galley cow disease in deep plumbing is mutans count a scaly leg and Pneumococcosis pili cows tassel foot in fall disease. कम से कम याद रखिएगा which of the species cause this disease. Pneumococcosis galley cows deep plumbing is mutans cows a scaly leg and pili species called tassel foot in fall. This is the important is sometimes asked question. A scaly leg in fall caused by which of the following mites? So याद रखना है. Another, this is the Sarcoptes, Sauroptes and Pneumococcosis is the burrowing mite. 3 different burrowing mite पढ़ाए आप. Non-burrowing mite. It do not create burrow in the skin. That is Sauroptidae family. That is Sauroptidae family contains Sauroptidae, Coreoptidae and Dodectidae. This is non-burrowing mite. It do not create all these mite. Do not create burrow in the skin. Do not burrow. All legs are projected beyond the body margin. हम Sarcoptes में पढ़े होंगे. Generally, third and fourth pair of legs do not project beyond the body margin, but in case of Sauroptidae family, that is these members of mite project beyond the body margin. This is the important differentiation morphological character. This is the differentiation point. Host specific, Sauroptes is host specific. Parasite, pedicels. This is the pedicels. This is the pedicels. This may jointed. Some mites, Sauroptes might have jointed pedicels. Some have unjointed pedicels. This is the jointed pedicels. 3 joint, 1, 2, 3. 3 jointed pedicel in case of Sauroptes, which bear sucker. This is the suckers. All legs project beyond the body margin. देखिए इसमें सभी legs body margin से बाहर निकला हुआ है. In case of Sauroptidae family, that is Sauroptes, Coreoptes, Dodectis. This is the Sauroptes species. Important is Sauroptes ovis. In sheep, it causes disease is known as sheep scab. This is a sheep scab. Of sheep scabies के नाम से भी जाना था. It is non-burrowing mite. This is also lead to rubbing and scratching of the infested animal and loss of the hair. Then Sauroptes corniculi found in case of rabbit, it caused ear canker. This is the ear canker or a scab formation. This is in case of Sauroptes, family member is formed a scab. In case of Sarcoptes, form crust. यहाँ पर scab formation. This leads to a scab formation that is form a scab in ear canal. That is known as ear canal in laboratory mite usually. This is the Coreoptes bovis, is also a non-burrowing mite and form a scab. This is the side for the which this is the different body part which infected by the Sauroptes, Coreoptes and Sarcoptes and Demodex. Treatment is same, diagnosis is same, but diagnosis by a skin scraping method. Treatment is same. Drug amitraz, deltamethrin like lice flea is commonly used 3 to 5 weekly interval. Some shampoo is also available. Tetmocel some shampoo is also available for the treating the mite. Control first treat the infested animal, segregation and isolation of the treatment animal and burning of the bedding material. This is all about of the mites. कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो पूछ सकते हैं। हेलो, माइट्स में हमेशा याद रखिएगा डिफरेंट बर्रोइंग माइट्स कौन है।